Guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I promised to do some sewing videos, but as for right now, I'll be showing how I sew with my sewing machine without a serger. Many of us have challenges without a serger, but I found a great way where I can sew without the serger and I get a neat finish, right? This is my sewing machine. It is a Singer M3305 sewing machine. It is already string, so I'm just gonna go straight to the video, right? So I'm going straight into the stitching, right? This is the gauge at 359, right? It's very important to get the right size zigzag to get a neat finish, right? Because you don't want the zigzag to be all over the place. So let's get started. Right, so I'm gonna move this top piece of the fabric, lift the presser foot a little, and I'm gonna try to get it between the presser foot. This is actually a school uniform and I'm sewing below the pocket, right? I have a lot of trimming up to do, but after the stitch, I can actually do all of that. So here it is, guys. Right? So after all this is finished, see, this is very neat, very neat. Only need a little trimming up, right? And I'll be cutting out this little edge right here. So right, that's a little edge gone. So this type of stitch goes well with cotton fabric, linen, African print, wax fabric. Right, I'm not gonna cut off all of it, just a little demonstration to show how I get it done properly, right? So this is the hem of the fabric, right? And for this hem, it does not have the two part. So I have a next way that I can use to get it done properly. Okay, so I'm gonna fold this hem right here. Just a little fold. Right, there it is, very neat. And this can be done without a serger and get a neat finish. Okay guys, so this is it. All it needs some trimming up and it's good to go. So like I said before, this is actually a school uniform, so I can't just give it any form of hemming. So I'm going to do something like this, right? Then I will be pinning to get the right side. So that's it. Now I'm gonna give it the straight stitch, right? I'm supposed to be pinning all of it to go right around, right? And then I'll be doing the straight stitch. So we get this form of hemming, a wonderful finish, and it is actually a pleated uniform. So I'll be putting the machine back and straight stitch. Here we go. And ta-da! My skirt hem is finished. Right? This is it, guys. Very flat and neat. And very fine pleat. Go down to a neat finish. So all the skirt need is just zip, button, and loop. Thank you for your time in viewing this video. I hope you really learned something. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel to get more sewing videos that will be coming up.